Alright, in today's video we're going to be solving a lab on PortSwigger. It's a mystery lab. For those of you who aren't familiar with this, we're simply hacking a website and don't know how to hack it. We don't know the attack vector. It's my first time doing it, so let's see what happens. Okay. Oh, do you need to log in? Let's see. Okay. Alright, here goes nothing. Honestly, I just don't know what to expect. My CPU is begging for mercy. This is the page. And we don't need to log in. No, we don't. Let's see. I have submit solution, which might not be even necessary. Thanks a lot for not helping. What is this? Oh my god. Close the burp. I don't know why I closed my burp. What's going on with my CPU? What is this? God, I wish I didn't make this video. Oh, holy, look at that CPU. Please don't crash. Enjoy. Oh my, this might crash. And something I was doing. I should not have done that. I was hunting on the site, so wow. Okay, let's put that aside. Oh my god, I swear. Oh, let's mess with him. Her. Oh, hey, GPT, handle her. She's doing nonsense. I heard a lot about AI hacking. Maybe it can hack it for me, haha. But I have energy today. Do I look like I have energy? No idea. Okay, what do we have? Let's do no nonsense now, guys. Quick distracting me. Let's view the page source. Oh, burp. Okay. And enable the proxy. Okay, now it will channel everything. Let's take a look at this. Oh, okay. I think it's basically, is it an injection attack? Do I need to do an injection? What is this? And it was showing on the page Wait, can we maybe see that hidden, like which lab this is from? Can we? Like, it would be a hack of its own. Can we? No, we can't. You're smart, but I will hack you. Guys, let me know if you also do this nonsense while hacking. How am I supposed to hack this? It's just a simple page. Nothing to begin with. Nothing at all. Yeah, it's an injection, I'm pretty sure of that. I hope it is. I have nothing in mind. And just let's send this to repeater. And oh, I got sent to repeater for some reason again. Okay, and this file name and product ID, so it's either a SQL file inclusion accesses, I don't know, sanity check. Hello, what? Okay. Basically nothing. Did I miss anything? No. Let's go over to my notes. And the funny thing is, most of these payloads that I have, I got them from PortSwigger labs. Let's try file inclusion. Is this a file inclusion? Huh. And where are you going? And guys, I hacked it. Haha. See the magic. And whoa. It's a image. Alright. Have we solved the lab? And no, we have not solved it. SQL maybe? No indications of SQL. Let's try some Boolean. You guys have done your homework, right? Okay. Okay. I'm not crying. And no. Okay, let's try it here. Password. Give me the password. Don't give me nonsense. Okay. Not okay. God. access, and I don't know how to write a simple payload. And see the magic. Bruh, I'll delete this all. Maybe a simple payload. Maybe. Let's see. We're not going to take any hints. We're going to hack this ourselves. What should we try? What should we try? Is it a file traversal? No. Let's try some SQL. You know what? Basic one. And please give me some indication of SQL. Okay, let's try this payload. Most of our SQL like start with this payload. I think it's a very good, simple but good SQL. And see the magic of my weapon. God, I'm crashing out. Come on. Okay. Come on, I was right. Let's send file traversal. Did I miss anything? Okay. See, I have animal instincts. This is not it. We're going to attack this page. I was right in the beginning. No. Okay. I'm pretty sure this is the attack vector. Oh God. Does God even exist? I'm not that sort of religious person. But what? God do exist? Oh yes, God exists, guys. God exists. So we have used a simple LFI, dumped the credentials, did a little bit of hacking and a lot of nonsense.